Hello, good morning, have a nice day. Okay, so I saw this job on upwork.com just now, and as soon as I read these lines, that essentially I want to be able to select a certain cell and it will pull information related to it from another cell and auto populate that row with certain information. You know what, I just it reminds me of another job which I've done recently for one of my client, and that is this one. Okay, so this is the whole sheet of something related to his business, and he uses this sheet for some kind of project management or something like that. I don't know that anything about much about this sheet. I work on these two sheets, D to D, and I've just created a copy of that sheets because I just don't want to mess with the original data. So I just copy it and created a new duplicate sheet, and I work on this sheet copy of this original D2D. Okay, so let me just brief you about this sheet. So these are all the clients for which that that company works or something like that, and these are their freelancers or employees. These are their age range, name, and some kind of location or maybe project ID or something like that, whatever it is, that's relevant. So what I do in this is that these are the client. So for this client, these all freelancers work for this client, these grad work, and then oops, no one else. So basically that's the concept. These are the clients and these are the freelancers. So for whichever client, whichever freelancer work, there is a data in that particular row and column matching to that freelancer and client, and these are the dates, and different colors resembles different, these are some code for different colors and something like that, they have different meaning. That's not a business. So what I do is basically my client want to know that for this client which all freelancers work. So for this particular client, row number 9, this Cambrone and Gassama work and maybe some other. So he wants to know that which of freelancer work for this client. So what I do is I return a script, and whenever he wants to know for a particular client, he just edited that cell. Okay, so you notice that I changed the value from client 1 to client itself. Okay, shit, I forgot to let me hold on. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Actually this is the copy of original work that I have done. Since I can't show you the original data of the client, so I've created a copy, and in this copy of that original work I forgot to actually put a trigger or something like that. Okay, so leave that. So what I was showing you is that when we want to know which all freelancers work for this client, I edited this cell and see what happened. I changed from client 1 to client. You see that original client 1 gets back, and all those columns are only populated for which having data for this particular client. So these all are the freelancers who work for this particular client. Like if I want to know for this particular client, then I just edited that cell. Anything we can put, remove, or just modify that cell. So for this particular row, all the columns are populated for with freelancers who work for this particular client. Okay, so this is the one thing which I think is relevant, or something similar to this. Like you want to select a certain cell and it will pull information related to it from another cell and auto populate that row, something like that. I just think that's. And another thing is in this sheet is that I've created a custom search script. Okay, so these all are the freelancers, and if my client wants to know that which of freelancers are of age between 30 to 35, so he just selects that age range and selects search now from this custom menu and see what happens here. Just a second. So these all are the freelancers of this particular age range, and those are populated, and there are multiple criteria for which he can select. I guess this is location code or something like that, I just don't remember, and this is project ID or something like that. So he can select multiple criterias also, and then he will search. If any freelancers match those criteria, then it will populate it, else you will get a pop-up like this, no matching candidate found. Okay, so in this sheet I've done these two work, and this is my profile on upwork.com. I will give you a link, or you can just select that from and see these are my previous works, and these are my portfolios. I've just put what I have done and something like that, and so you can review here, and for further information you can just check out my profile, so that you can get a basic idea of what I have done and something like that, and then you can reply me back and we can discuss from there. Thank you for your time and have a nice day. Bye bye, take care.